In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Valorant critical error. Now first what we want to try is come down here and search for Device Manager. In here you're going to choose Display Adapters, find your graphics card and press Update Driver. Make sure your driver is up to date, and after that there's another thing that we can try. Come down here, go to Windows Update and make sure Windows is also up to date. Now after this what we can do is find our Valorant right here, right click on it, Properties, Compatibility, and make sure both of these are enabled. Press apply and OK. Now after that, if it still doesn't work, we can search down here for services. Come in here, scroll all the way down to V or press V, find VGC, open it, start it and put it to automatic. Once you've done that, automatic and start it, you can close it. And then something else we want to try is Windows button R or search for run, type in msconfig, open up this, head over to services, hide all Microsoft services, then disable all and then accept VGC. So disable everything and keep VGC enabled and then restart your PC. Now, if none of these work, the last option is you can simply go to Apps and Features and uninstall Valorant. Uninstall it and then reinstall it right after and see if this fixes the issue. Now I really hope any of these helped you. If they did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.